in that pictographic representation.
Yeah, but the fascinating phenomenon with subliminal influences is you're unaware. My infatuation is more within the context of is that words is predicated on a high level of ambiguity. And what the algorithm does is sort of unequivocal to have this sense of experience.
So the phenomenon that's perceived, like this person has supernatural powers or whatever, it comes from a real...
Called an exercise in perseverance, was that the word?
Yeah, someone asked, the most pervasive question is asked is how long did it take you?
Extreme. Then you have cyclothymia or cyclothymia, which is a milder version of bipolar, where the mood fluctuation tends to oscillate on a day.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective.
Self-explanatory.
Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception,
Trajectory that occurs.
You can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Persuasion.